finding the exact difference between two dates in Excel. A classic example is working out someone's age. It's not as hard as it sounds, and there are handy functions in Excel that can give you an exact age to the day. To get started, we'll enter the person's date of birth in this cell. So now today is the function that gives today's date, right? So now we have to subtract today's date and birth date. So how do you do that? So it will be is equal to today, open brackets, close brackets, minus, so this is the cell which has date of birth, so that is G6. Okay, select that. So now after subtracting, we have to divide this by 365, right? So the current date subtracts the date of birth to get the number of days of birth. So the return number is divided by 365, that is 1 year, right? To get the exact number of years. So now if you see that, you will get with decimal points, the result is in decimal. So I need the whole number, so age will be a whole number, right? So I have to use int function as the argument to get the whole number age. Okay, this formula will round the decimal down to an integer, so you can get the age from date of birth. Okay, I'll copy the same formula to all the cells now. Okay, so second function which we are going to see is you can use to create a formula like dated if. Okay, this function and today function together can be used to also get the age of a person. So dated if, so this can return the number of complete years between the current date and the birth date. So you can write like this is equal to dated if, open brackets, G6, that is the cell which contains date of birth, comma, today will give you the exact today's date, so that you can subtract that, comma, y is nothing but the years. Okay, I'm just closing this. So again this will give you the number of years, that is the age of the person. You can use int function to round it off to whole number. Okay, the next function which we'll see is year frac. So this year frac function also can help you to calculate the fraction of the year between the date birth and the current date. So year frac can be used like this, which is equal to year frac, open brackets, the cell G6, comma, today, and the last parameter, it is optional, so you can just close this. Okay, so now you get the answer in decimal. So I can use int to get the whole number of the age, or I can use round down. Okay, this round down function also will give you the rounded data. So here I have to add a parameter, comma, 0, that is it will have 0 decimal places. Okay, so this will round the value to the whole number, and this will also give you the age. So these three easy functions can give you the age of the person. You can calculate them very easily in no time. So you have to know the functions like today, you can just subtract and you can use int function, and second one is dated if function, where you can also subtract and get the exact years, and also year frac function to get the age of a person. Hope you like the video. For more technical videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel, Hema Tech Talks.